is why you need to know about the asteroid Apophis. It's not just a rock, it's a potential city killer. Apophis is an asteroid named after an ancient Egyptian god of chaos and destruction. And it's not just a cool name, it's a warning. In 2029, Apophis will zoom past Earth closer than some of our satellites. That's right, closer than our satellites. But should we be worried? Well, scientists say the chances of it actually hitting us are tiny. But tiny in space terms still means keeping an eye on it. Because if Apophis did hit, it would unleash energy equivalent to thousands of nuclear bombs. Imagine cities wiped off the map. So what's the plan? NASA and other space agencies are on high alert, tracking every move Apophis makes. They're even developing ways to nudge it off course if needed. In the end, while the god of chaos might sound terrifying, science and vigilance are our shields. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep looking up.